Hi friends, I am speaking here from Prabha. Now in this video I am telling about new concept, the how to get data from database to Datagridview, and then also how to pass the data from one Datagridview to next Datagridview. Okay, how to read data from, if you retrieve the data from database to one Datagridview, the Datagridview of datas pass to another one Datagridview. Okay, so how is to do? First I am told to that concept. First we want to design that form. Okay, so I am goes to add new form in this project. See, in this data entry form I am already declared this project, and then also I am go to new item. Now I am declaring designing form. Okay, I am declaring here the sixth form name. I am renaming here. I'm declare the name of this form, get data, get data. Okay, get data form. Okay, so I'm declare this get data form, so it's open. Now I'm design this form, goes to this color and go to property, this color and go to select, control A, background color, control C, and then come to the event of design page, and then go to property and then declare in this background color, control V. Okay, now the color changed here. Now also I want to declare that one of the title 2 in this place, so I am goes to declare that fifth one. I'm goes to see this, control C, and then goes to here, control V. Okay, now I am declare the title here. Goes to, I'm declaring change the title here. Get data from first view to and second grid view. Okay, first data grid view to second data grid view. Okay, so I am declare the title here, and then I am goes to declare. I am also changing this name here also. Go to data, then also data. Okay, now declare the get data from first data grid view to second data grid view. Okay, so in this place I am declare the title. Okay, now I am declare this title to this form, and then also I need the data grid view, so I'm go to data tool and then get data grid view here declare. Okay, now whenever the form loading, that time the data is retrieved from database to in this place. Okay, so I'm goes to declare this one, and then whenever the form load, the time the data is retrieved from database to data grid view. Okay, the number of data retrieved from database. So I'm already the data entry project of data entry database declared here. Okay, the data entry database declared, and then table also declared, and then created in this place. See the login form of username and then pass. Okay, password, these both columns available in this data table. So I am show the data table of data in this place. See the number of data available in this data table. So I am these all data retrieve, and then to that get data this in form this in this data grid. So whenever the load this form, the time the data is retrieved. So I am double click this form, the get data load form load event open. So in this place I am declaring the query string. Okay, so first of all we should declare in this header file using system.data.sql client. Okay, and then also I am declared in this place on SQL connection. So I am declared in this top SQL connection declare one variable name. I am declaring ABC equal new SQL connection. So I am declared in this place double quote. Between this double quote I am go to data entry of I am using this data table. So I am declaring this database query string. Okay, so connection string. So I am go to property, the connection string open here, double click this connection, control C, and then declare here. Okay, so connection string get in this place. So the database connection call to this form. Okay, now this concept also told in before video. Okay, now in this place I am declaring SQL query, SQL data adapter. I am declaring ASDF variable name equal to new SQL data adapter. Okay, and then I am declaring between this double quotation and that all the data I want to retrieve. Okay, so I am go to select star means all from see the login window. Okay, this login window table of all the data is called to that. So the login window I am goes to the login window, double click, control C, and then goes to question and then display control V, and then finally I declare connections in ABC. Okay, now final page completed, and then here I am declaring data table. I am declaring one variable name SS equal new data table. Okay, and then I am declaring here the variable name of data query, the select all data. So ASDF dot fill in SS table, data table. Okay, see this all the login, this all the data, the login window of table of data called to this query, sorry, this variable name. So this variable name, the all the data fill in this table. Okay, the table data called in variable name. So they are declaring, so this all data fill in this table. So I am declaring SDF fill in. Okay, now I am declaring here the data grid view grid view 1. I am using data grid view 1 dot data source, the data source equal SS. Okay, so in our the loading form, the time the what happens, CM goes to run. Okay, the data entry form opens. So first of all we should open that what means goes to the program file, search and explore in this program file. This is a get data. So this get data form, see this get data form. So this is the get data. I am declaring in current positions, and the runtime declaring here application runtime application get data. Okay, get data form. Okay, now the get data form opened here. Okay, so all the data is retrieved from Datagridview, the database to this Datagridview. Okay, so all data is retrieved. So how to get this data? Okay, I'm told to you. And then this data how to pass to another one. I'm declaring another one Datagridview. How to pass this Datagridview to this Datagridview? How it's to do? I'm using one button also for to this concept. Okay, so I'm go to design. In this place I'm declaring one button. Okay, so I'm goes to that declare the common designing. Okay, go to designing, view designing. In this place I'm using number of forms here, number of buttons. So I'm go to form 3, control C, the button copy, and then go to declaring, control V, yeah, and extract this. Okay, I'm changing this name here. Go to property, read data. Okay, read data, and then also I'm going to change the font size. Okay, go to change the font size. Okay, so declare this and then extract this. Okay, now I'm declared this button in this place. Okay, when I'm clicking this button, that time the Datagridview, control C and then control V. Okay, so to Datagridview I'm declared this in this place. Okay, now I'm declared the Datagridview here. Whenever this button click, that time this first one Datagridview to the second one Datagridview open the all the data read to another one. Okay, how it's to do? Okay, now I'm declare this first one data. Whenever clicking the button, that time only the data read from first one review to second one Datagridview. Okay, so how it's declared? So first time declare this button click, double click event. So the button double click and then click event open. Now I'm declaring in this place the the code for C# code. Okay, now we are using the C# code to retrieve the data from Datagridview. So I am declared that one. So here using you are using that code for each condition. Okay, for each I am declaring Datagridview row. Okay, row, and declare variable name data row in Datagridview 1.rows. Open bracket, close bracket. In this between this bracket I am declaring int condition. Okay, int for auto generate that column of the Datagridview. Okay, so int I am using here AB. Okay, AB or variable name I am declare num. Okay, num equal Datagridview 2. Okay, I declare 2 data, second one Datagridview, so I declare Datagridview 2 rows dot add. So this code automatically generated the number of how many data available in this database of rows. That much amount of data rows automatically generated by using this code. Okay, okay, now declare another one for each condition here. Okay, for each. Okay, in this place I am declared Datagridview. Now I'm declared, before I'm declared row condition, now I'm declared column condition. So I'm declared Datagridview column. Okay, now column declare, and then here declare column or data column, data column. Okay, and declare one variable name in Datagridview1 dot column. Okay, and then open bracket and then close bracket. Okay. Between these bracket I am declare the code converted code. Okay, Datagridview1 to second converted code I am declared here. Okay, the Datagridview2. Okay, the Datagridview2 of rows. Okay, 2 of rows, the dot rows declare variable name. Okay, the variable name of auto generate column. So auto generate means C automatically generated. So this one copy, Control C, and then go to Control V here, and then finish it. Okay, finish it, and then dot cells. Okay, here and declare column index. Okay, so column index means the data column. Okay, Control C this variable name, declare Control V, dot index. Okay, dot value equal the Datagridview1 dot the rows. I'm declaring the row index. So row index means, see, this is the column index. Okay, this is column index, this is row index. So I'm declaring here data row. Okay, data row variable name dot index. Okay, and then dot cells. Here data column index column. Okay, data column dot index. Okay, and then dot value. Okay, this all value dot to string. Okay, now declare this code to here. Okay, what happened? Listen friends, I am told to this concept of this code, this all code. See, in this for each time, for each means each time the data automatically function, it will be functioned. Okay, so the data grid view of row, I'm getting data row variable. So the first one data grid view of rows getting data grid view, and then the data grid view automatically the first data grid view or a number of rows available, so that much amount of rows automatically generated added in this data grid view 2. So that I'm getting num variable name. So in this num variable name I'm declared to number of rows added automatically here. Okay, so and then the data columns also row indexes, sorry, in this row indexes the column indexes. So this value equal to in data grid view one, that the data grid view of row index and then column index value, all data change to equal to in this row and then in these cells. See, this row and then this column, this row and then this data column of this data grid view 1. See, this row and this column and this data grid view 1 value to string equal to in this data grid view 2. Okay, see this data grid view 2, and then here number of column generated and the column rows generated and then number of columns also here available. So what happened here, I'm goes to run this project. So it's read. Okay, click. Row can be added. Okay, Okay, okay man, not having column. Okay, now I am goes to adding the column to that data grid. So in this place I am contain in this place call to all. So I am declare username comma pass. Okay, see let's stop it. See here username and pass. So I am declare username and pass. Okay, so two columns call to here. Now this data call to there, and then call to the that data grid first data grid view. Okay, now it's called. Now I'm go to design page. Here we should add the column. Okay, so two column we should add column. Go to first column and second column. Edit column, we need not that one, so I remove it. Okay, okay, column 1 and column 2 added. Okay, so enable adding available. Now I'm goes to run the program. See, now open this all the data from database to this data view and then read data. Now okay, see in this place the empty data is available. See, the empty data is available, the automatically generated, so I will reject it. The auto enable adding column and remove from first one data view. So I'm goes to remove in first one data view, and then also remove in this second one data view. Okay, goes to enable adding remove. Okay, enable adding remove. Now I'm run it. So now I'm click all the data get from data view. Now enable adding not here, the row add, so goes to read. Now all the data get from first one data view, second one data view. Okay, okay friends, see in this place I am told to you how to get data from SQL Server database to in this data view, and then also how to pass the first one data view, get a data view of data pass to how to sign on data view. Okay, now this concept I am told to you. If you want any doubt means just comment to me and then subscribe me. Thank you friends, bye. My mail ID is prabha91. So if you have any concept to learn means just send that mail ID prabhakar91@gmail.com. Thank you friends, bye.